Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you love real love stories that hit you right in the feels, hit that subscribe button so you never miss one. 5 years ago I ghosted the love of my life. Tonight she walked into the private booth I was serving, looking like she just stepped off the cover of Forbes. Her best friend teased her, loud enough for the whole room to hear. "Girl, you still single because you can't get over your college ex?" She swirled her drink, voice ice cold. Ex? I forgot that person exists. The second she said it, I pushed the door open with the fruit platter. Our eyes locked. My heart dropped so hard the platter almost hit the floor. She stood up so fast her chair screeched. I yanked my mask higher, turned around and basically ran. I hid in the bathroom, hands shaking over the sink. I told myself she didn't recognize me. I'm just a tired bartender in a baseball cap now. Not the girl who used to drive a Porsche to Columbia University. Wrong. The door opened. That familiar perfume hit me first. Then her voice. "Zoe Miller, stop running." She grabbed my wrist. Saw the rose gold bracelet I never sold. The one she coded for 3 months straight to buy me for my 21st birthday. And her eyes turned red. 5 years, Zoe. 5 damn years. You owe me an explanation. I lied through my teeth. I'm married. I have a kid. Please, Ms. Reed, let me go. I pushed past her and ran. Later that night I rushed my little nephew Leo to the ER. He's my cousin's kid. I'm his cool Aunt Zoe, who he calls Mom when he's sick. Guess who paid the bills and held him while the 4 dripped? Yet. Charlotte Reed, CEO. Billion-dollar exit. Still wearing the same annoyed but worried face she had when I made her late for class. She moved in next door the next week. My tiny Brooklyn apartment suddenly had Whole Foods bags at my door every day. Post-it notes on my fridge that said, "Eat something, idiot." I confronted her in the hallway. "Charlotte, stop." She leaned against my door, arms crossed, smirking like she used to when I begged her to be my girlfriend. "I'm not stopping until you take me back." I laughed in her face. "Look at me. I'm broke. I'm nothing. You won." She stepped closer. "Then let me be nothing with you." I still said no. Over and over. Until the night at the charity gala she dragged me to. Some girl from our old Columbia group accidentally spilled red wine all over my borrowed dress. And whispered loud enough for everyone to hear, "Wow, Zoe still chasing Charlotte's money. Pathetic." I smiled, grabbed my own glass, and poured it straight over her head. "Sorry. Poor people have no manners." The whole room went dead quiet. Charlotte looked at me like I was the sun rising again. I ran to the garden and finally broke down. She found me crying like an idiot. I told her the truth. "We're too different now. I'm scared one day we'll hate each other. I'm scared I'll drag her down again." She cupped my face, voice shaking. "Then I'll walk every single step to close the gap. You just stand there and let me love you." Rumor said she was leaving the country forever. I lost my mind. I ran through JFK like a crazy person. Found her at security. and threw myself at her. "Don't go. Please don't leave me again." She laughed through tears. "I'm selling the company, Zoe. Coming home. To you. For good." Turned out her best friend lied to get me to the airport. I'm still mad about that. Now my cooking channel just hit 1 million subs. Everyone's obsessed with the beautiful hand that keeps sneaking into my videos, passing me ingredients. They spam the comments. Whose hand is that? Marry her. So yesterday I asked Charlotte to film a full hand cam with me. She looked at me. Dead serious. Got on one knee in our tiny kitchen. Flour still on her cheek. "Zoe Miller, marry me. Let's make a family. Messy and loud in ours." I cried into her shirt so hard I got flour everywhere. "Guys." I said yes. Sometimes love isn't the fairy tale. Sometimes it's the girl you hurt showing up 5 years later. And refusing to leave until you believe you're worth staying for. Thanks for listening to my story. If you cried, laughed, or yelled at your phone, drop a like and tell me in the comments. Have you ever run from someone you never stopped loving? See you in the next one.